The Northampton Brewery is going green because I needed to align my business with my values. We've been in business for over 20 years, and the heating and ventilation and air conditioning system was on its very last legs. It had been repaired over and over and over again, and it needed to be replaced. So that was the beginning of the process.
The envelope itself was really in rough shape. Most of the system was in the rafters, so the ductwork actually ran inside the rafter cavities where the insulation should have been. So we were faced with having to change not only the heating and cooling plants, but where that delivery of that system was in order to offer the right amount of insulation to hold on to that heating and cooling. Conservation first is the first step, because it's not how efficient the burner is, the gas burner or oil burner, because if you've got a leaky building, then it really doesn't matter. It's just going to burn all day and all night. So the first step is conservation, making it a really tight assembly, trying to beef up those R values, getting really thick envelope assemblies happening, and then you can start talking about downsizing your HVAC equipment so that it's a smaller system, and you can save money that way too. Phase 1 has been completed, and so the dining area has been brought up to speed with all sorts of high-performing insulation techniques, new HVAC, so she's got new heating, cooling, and ventilation, so the air quality is fresh and preconditioned. She's got heat recovery ventilation systems, so as fresh air is being brought in, it actually exchanges temperature with the stale air being exhausted, so she recaptures that energy she's already put into the building while still offering fresh air to the people in the brew pub. She's updated everything with all environmentally friendly materials, everything from no VOC paints to marmoleum floors to cork ceilings, as well as earth plasters, which are made from clay, seashells, and marble dust, which, the other nice part about the earth plasters is it allows for absorption of sound, moisture, so it's almost like a breathable wall assembly.
The Northampton Brewery is in the process of going green. It's really important to make that distinction between having gone green and going green. The next phase of what we're planning to do is installing photovoltaic panels on the south-facing roof. So we'll be supplementing our electricity by making electricity, which is really, really exciting.
Green building means that you're trying to capture the most sustainable way to create a home for yourself. Basically, where did the products come from? How far did they have to travel? What was the impact as they were being produced? Is there going to be any off-gassing? Will it be harmful for somebody to install? How long will it last? So sustainability, basically.
We are offering eco tours at the brewery, where people will come in and have an opportunity to learn about the process that we've gone through, as well as learning about the brewing process. So we've meshed, dovetailed the two concepts together. And it will also be a really fun opportunity to have beer and food and to, really ask some questions and have some questions answered and, really learn something about energy efficiency. The benefits to the guest are a healthier, cleaner, and more comfortable and more beautiful environment. And people can feel good about the investment that they're making in this business because the Northampton Brewery is making an investment in the community.